Hey guys, Mr. Finn here. I want to talk to you guys about indefinite pronouns. What are they? If you're not sure, make sure you stick around because I'm going to get into it right after the intro.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Hey guys, Mr. Finn here, and today I want to get into indefinite pronouns. This is going to be video 2 in my series of pronouns. If you haven't seen the first video, make sure you click here. I'll put a card here, or you can follow the link I'll leave in the description. All right. Now, indefinite pronouns, what are they? Well, if you remember what pronouns are, pronouns substitute nouns, right? In that video, I talked about the difference between subject and object pronouns. But indefinite pronouns, by the definition, we're talking about something that is not definite. It's indefinite. And it's pretty simple. I'm certain you know what the indefinite pronouns are. I just don't think you know that they are indefinite pronouns. What are the indefinite pronouns? Well, you're looking at everyone or everybody, everything, everywhere, somewhere, something, someone, anyone, anybody. These guys are examples of indefinite pronouns, right? So when I say everyone, who am I talking about? I'm talking about everyone, me, you. Well, there's nobody around me but them, right? Now, what do you need to remember, or what do you need to understand when you're using indefinite pronouns? These words are always going to be used in the third person. And what does that mean? That means that the verb that it's with is going to be conjugated in the third person, typically with an S. So if I say, like, I go to the beach as often as I can, and I could say, everyone goes to the beach, which is not necessarily true. Some people don't like it, but that's the idea. Another thing I could use, and this is an example, is, I have in my life lied. Everybody has lied. See how that works? That's it, right? If these pronouns continue to confuse you, make sure you leave me a comment and I'll explain in more detail. But it's probably one of the easiest pronouns to use. You just have to remember that the verb that it's with has to be conjugated in the third person. That's it. Okay? I hope that was a help to you. Make sure that you're getting out there and practicing your English. I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll catch you in the next video.